Hello guys, welcome to the Indian review channel. Today I'm going to review the LG 9.5 kg semi-automatic washing machine, and the model number is P1515R3SA. This is how the exterior looks. The body is totally made out of ABS plastic. Now you can see the top cover of the washing machine. It's made out of high quality ABS plastic. Then you can hang it around the side or the other side, but I cannot because there is a small piece of marble blocking the way. And let's check out the spinner. It's a spring loaded type of hatch for double protection. The inner of the spin drum is totally made out of plastic, high quality, and here you have the instruction and warning, and if there is sudden vibration while spinning, you must follow the instruction given. Wind check dry. Then that is the spin timer knob, maximum 5 minutes, after which it will automatically buzz. Wash, rinse and drain. If you rotate it to drain, the water from the washing tub will totally drain outside, and these are both the power to control the motor from soft, gentle. Say suppose you have a low amount of clothes, 5 kg or 6 kg, you can use the gentle to normal. Say you have 9-10 kgs of clothes, you can use the strong mode. And here is the total timer including the soaking timer, which is maximum of 40 minutes, including 25 minutes of soaking plus 15 minutes of wash time. Now you can see the inner roller, that is 3+1 punch and roller system, during which the water waves are created using those, causing turbulent washing mechanism within the clothes. Now I'm going to fill up the washing tub with water. Sorry for the bad quality of water. There's some water and pipeline works done in my house, so the water is not that great. It's yellowish. Sorry for that. Now I'm going to show you the normal mode. Now when you do the gentle washing motion, the spin duration is a little bit longer. When you increase it to normal, the speed increases as well as the duration too. As you can see from the water, it's much more powerful than Now let's switch over to the heavy mode. That's the buzzer sound. Now that is the wash selector. Say suppose you want to. That's the wash selector, from which the water enters either into the washing tub or into the spinner, and this is the knob to drain out the water from the washing tub. As you can see, I'm going to zoom in and show you how far it goes down, and there. It takes a little bit of time because of the huge capacity of the washing machine for the water to drain. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the spin function. As you can see, it's a very big drum. You can load the whole batch of washed clothes. As you can see, I turned on the knob and it started to rotate, spin immediately. best thing is it has in fact all the washing machine has this feature, safety shutdown feature. If you open it suddenly while it's in motion, it's going to stop immediately, so that kids or anyone, if you accidentally open it, it won't damage the machine or cause accident. Thanks for watching again. That's all. I'll bring you a detailed review next time. Thank you. Please subscribe.